What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about compound today for John Speed, at the request of you, John Speed. We didn't close below $77, and that was the line. That was the line in the dirt that I was looking for. $77.50 actually, if I remember correctly. On the daily, we did. We had one day close below it, and then yesterday we came back up and closed above it. Right now, we checked back to the line already today and have since had a positive reaction off it. So I'm a bit curious to see how the rest of the day goes, how the rest of the week goes, but at this point in time, I am under the opinion that compound will move back up. It looks like it wants to move back up at least to this $86 area, if not $93, $95 area. But if we can break this structure, if we can break this kind of symmetrical triangle that we have here, like something like that, if we can break that to the upside, then this move, the rest of this move is probably on in the more immediate terms. If not, we might find resistance here, another lower high, and then we come back down and form another higher low, and then we might break it, but that would be sometime in April probably. So if you want to see more immediate upside, I would look for a close above $95 on a daily over this week, I would say. Maybe $94.50 this week would be nice. And if not, if we don't get that close, if we wick above it, or if we wick like right under it, whatever, and then we come back down and we just can't close above that line, I would think that we come all the way back down to basically these prices. But that's, that'll be another video whenever we're up here to see if we're going through the real deal or not. But I do think that we have much higher to go, you guys. I think compound has a lot higher to go. I'm not concerned about it. I hope none of you are. I know it can be emotional. I really know it can be. It's okay to be emotional. It's just not okay to act on those emotions. But high to low here, not the all-time low, just of this move here. That's how I'm drawing it, right, on my fibs. There's an argument that could be made to get the all-time low in there. It is a significant price, but relative to this move, I feel like this low is more significant, right? This low is significant to this move, if that makes any sense. But here we are at the 382, consolidating around it now for about like 1-2 on our third week here. We haven't moved down to the 236. We absolutely could go down there, but I'm under the impression that we will continue this movement up through these fib retracement levels. Our next stop would be at 155, but I really do think we're going to go to this 235 to $304 area, potentially sometime in April. If not, sometime by the end of this month, but I think it's going to be early April. That's my thoughts. If not, it could be later. It could be late April or later than that even, before we really start getting things going again. Because if we pull back from here and go to the 60, that wouldn't look good. So really, really, really would love to see some follow through. And beyond that, we have to break this structure that we're in. But hopefully nobody panic sold down here. I know you guys, if you're watching the channel, if you're watching the compound videos, I know you guys were aware that we had levels, kind of lines in the sand, if you will. And in my video, I know I did say the weekly close is what I was looking for, but I think I did say a daily would even concern me, but I don't know if I specified it well enough. I was watching that video and I feel like I didn't specify it well enough, but as long as we're not closing a week below here or consecutive days below this line, I'm not concerned. In fact, this as of right now, the time of speaking, this looks really good. That can definitely change in a short amount of time, but as of right now, I am expecting that we would go higher. So anyways, that's all I got. I'm repeating myself. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you all for coming. I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.